So after reasonably successful tour of Visioneers V6 and V not V Eve 20, we received a couple other IMs, slightly more premium. One of them is the flagship VE8, and the other one is the VE7, very recently launched VE7, and these are not cheap IEMs by the sense of imagination. So these are two units and not bought by any of us. The VE7 is priced at 1650 euros, and VE8 is more expensive at 23 2400 euros. I would like to believe. Oh, come on. So let me enjoy our so he is a funny guy, no doubt about that. Demo unit, handcrafted in clone for demo unit. Okay, we do not mind that, not at all, because most of us can barely afford this. So what's the point? So this is a good case, very good case, nice case. And these are the IEMs. I'm not sure how I will ship this. This is the this is supposed to be the VE8. Yeah, this is the VE8. Very similar kind of construction when compared to the V6 and Eve. Very similar. V is not deviating from any of these things. Let's have a look, closer look. These are good looking pieces. I really like this kind of design. Now the good thing is that these are not empty shells. These are filled, resin filled shells, and that's a very good thing. That adds more strength to the IEM, to the build quality of this, and that is a very good thing. Good looking earpieces. There aren't any big revelation or anything here, but nevertheless, this is the latest V7. I'm not sure how many reviewers have it, but we have it. So there is a small design change here. You guys can see this is a tri-board design and this is a dual board design. So slight departure and different kind of design too. This is shorter, nozzle is less deep, and it's a more traditional kind of design, while this is a more VE like design. This is more identifiable with Visioneers, this design is, and this is slightly more traditional kind of design which we see with most of the IEMs. So this looks good, very good. Manufactured in 4/5, so April manufactured, and this is an year old, more than a year old, 15 months old, 030720. So the good IEMs, reasonably good sounding cables. These are very good sounding cables. Even Rutik Mishra can tell you guys that these cables sound as good as some premium looking cables from Effect Audio, Symphonium and stuff. But to keep the price low, price down, Vision Years is using this kind of minimalistic, lightweight cables. Nothing wrong with this, but can they not be a bit more attractive? Does not matter really, because if it's the sound that you care for, these are fairly decent cables, so nothing really to complain. So this is it. This concludes our unboxing. Then I'll have to. Okay, so this is a magnetic case. I was wondering why there are no locks. Nevertheless, I will have to contemplate how I am going to send this to in different directions. Nevertheless, this is the unboxing. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.